If you're looking for how to back up GoDaddy, this video is going to walk you through the process step by step in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Whether you want to protect your website before making changes, create a full account backup for safety, or just make sure you have a copy of everything stored on your hosting account, this tutorial will show you exactly what to do. And before we get started, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials just like this one. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is log into your GoDaddy account and head over to the My Products section. Once you're there, look for your web hosting plan and click Manage. This is where GoDaddy lets you control the hosting account connected to your website. After that, you'll want to click on cPanel Admin. This takes you into the cPanel interface, which is where the backup tools are located. If you've never used cPanel before, don't worry. This is the standard control panel for managing many hosting features, and we only need one specific tool here. Inside cPanel, look for the Backup option and click it. This is the section that gives you access to different backup and restore features. Since we want a full copy of the account, not just a partial file, we're going to choose the Full Backup option. Now click Download a Full Account Backup. This is the important step because it tells GoDaddy to create a complete backup of your hosting account, including the files and settings associated with it. If you're moving your site, protecting your data, or just playing it safe before updates, this is the option you want. Next, you'll see a destination option. Choose Home Directory. This is usually the recommended location because it stores the backup file on your hosting account until it's ready to be downloaded. If you're unsure which destination to choose, Home Directory is the safest and most common choice for this process. Once that's selected, click Generate Backup. GoDaddy will now start building your backup file. Depending on the size of your website and the amount of data in your account, this may take a few minutes. So if it doesn't appear instantly, that's completely normal. Just give it a little time to finish processing. When the backup is ready, you'll be able to download the file. Make sure to save it somewhere secure on your computer or external storage, so you have an extra copy in case you ever need to restore your website later. It's always a smart idea to keep backups in more than one place, especially if your website is important to your business or brand. And that's it. You've now learned how to back up GoDaddy using cPanel and create a full account backup. This is one of the best habits you can build as a website owner because it gives you peace of mind before making changes, updating plugins, or managing your hosting account. If this video helped, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.